Guys, this is the big brand Alano B, the billionaire as always. And today we are applying fertilizer in these cans. It's raining, so we don't have any reasons why we should not do that. But that's not the point that I want to address today. Today I just want to address something, and I feel like it's now raising alarms to the farmers. So there's this issue of permits with these sugarcane companies. I don't want to mention any company at all, but I've seen people complaining. Like, I saw a post on social media, Facebook, somebody saying he has used almost 2,500 to get permits, but he has not gotten it yet. Then there's a friend of mine also who told me he has also used almost 4,000 to get permits, but he has not gotten them. He has not gotten them yet. So this is one thing I want to ask. As the supervisors, you guys, why do you want to frustrate farmers? Look, at the moment, I'm putting my money here as a farmer. I'm investing. This is what I'm carrying. These are investments. Huh? In fact, getting fertilizer, the government fertilizer is not easy at all, by the way, especially the urea. Urea is consumed a lot. So when I put investment here, as a father or as a farmer, I don't get. There's not any other reason why you guys should frustrate us to get permits. Yet the investments we make here are what we pre-assume that we will get something out of the investments, then use to offset our bills. For example, we have parents who want school fees by end of this month. So no, like from next week, there are children who are going to open schools, parents who need to pay school fees, and they put their money here so that they can use this to pay the school fees to their kids. Then you are frustrating a parent by not providing permits for them to harvest canes. Why? Unless you guys have something that you are holding so that you give maybe farmers time to their canes to be mature enough. But yet the people who have told me so far, I've seen 4 people talking to me direct that they have mature canes but they don't have permits. Some have used money but they have not gotten permits yet. I have a friend whose father was so sick and he needed money to use for paying the bills in the hospital, and the canes were mature enough, but he has not gotten the permits yet. And when we invest here as farmers, we do the investments because, one, we know that this investment is what we are going to use in future to either help our friends, help our family members, help our sisters and brothers, and also help the society. That's what we do as farmers. Secondly, this is what we know that will come to rescue us when we have needs. So there's no way I have this asset but I can't access the money, because if I had the cash flow, I'll not be investing here. But we use this to create now the cash flow that we want. So I just want to ask the sugarcane companies, not being specific to any, but quote in quotes, you know, the biggest shareholder of canes in Bungoma County, you know yourself. So you guys, make sure that you don't give farmers a hard time when it comes to harvesting these canes. Please make sure that the process is smooth. In fact, you guys did change how the permits were being issued because you thought that the new system will be easy for farmers. But from the look of things, that new system is now being the hardest system ever. From the look of things. Now you have to send the supervisor to come and take the photo so that it scans and sends to the system. Then the supervisors are coming to demand for money. That's what people are saying. So you guys, if you don't know this video, just know, because we are farmers. Some of us, we are farmers, we influencers, we create content, we are everywhere. And when there's some sensitive thing that arises, we have to notify you by creating these videos. Okay, so I'm your boy Alano Big, the big brand. As always, peace.